Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a free app you could use to open and edit Microsoft Word documents as well as other types of documents. So if you don't have Office installed on your computer or you don't have a Microsoft 365 account, of course you could use the web-based version of Word, but this is a nice little app you could use on your desktop. It has a lot of the basic Word functionality that might be enough for some people. So it's called Docs Plus, and you could actually get it from the Microsoft Store. Just do a search for Docs Plus, look for this icon, then click on Get or Install, and then install it. And then when you run it, you can see it kind of looks like a basic version of Word. We have our File tab here, New, Open, Save, and if we do Save As, you can see our various types here, with Word being the default. You can even do RTF or text files, older version of Word documents, PDFs, and so on. Then we have our printing options, undo, redo, some encryption options here, view the document properties. Then on the Home tab, we have our typical cut, copy, paste, even paste special, all your font adjustments here for formatting, quite a bit of them. And this, of course, will use all your Windows fonts, so you'll have the same fonts that you have in Word. Paragraph styles, indent and numbered lists, bulleted lists, and so on. And we even have some styles like Word has, and it even has these additional menus here. We could click on it and view some additional options. Find, so it's search box there, even has replace. All right, then we have an insert tab. If you want to insert a new page, table, pictures, bookmarks, links, headers and footers, text box, symbols, and so on. Page layout, typical margins, orientation, paper sizes, columns and breaks, line numbers. You can change the page color and add watermarks. Then we have a references section here if you want to create a table of contents, add some captions and some footnotes. And there's even a mail merge option here if you want to use that to make some envelopes. Then we have our view tab here with a similar type of layouts, print, draft, and simple view. We have the rulers on the top and bottom here, zoom options. And then finally the review tab, with the spell checker, language. You can even password protect the document, add some comments, track your changes, and so on. Then we even have a little quick access menu here, but it just seems to have save and undo and redo. You have a search box up here as well. All right, so let's open another document here. Let's try this one here. Even open it in a new window. So you can see the table of contents. Got some images in there, so it looks just like it does in Word. And then of course you could do the same type of editing. Change your text, add some images, change your paragraph settings, and so on. So you can see it's a pretty powerful tool for a freebie. And if you just need to open Word documents and work on them on a computer that doesn't have Word installed, it's a great solution. And you could even use it for your basic everyday word processing needs. All right, so once again, just go to the Microsoft Store. You should be able to find it in your Start menu here, or do a search for Microsoft Store. And then look for Docs Plus. Click on Get or Install. Sometimes it'll say one or the other. And then it should put it on your Start menu. And then you can pin it to your taskbar or whatever you need to do. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.